Plenty Horses was a Lakota man. One day, he walked up to a U.S. Army officer and shot him in the back of the head. Then he turned himself in. He didn't run. He didn't deny it. He handed himself over and waited for the trial. But when the case went to court, the government realized convicting him would mean exposing something much bigger. Was this murder? Or was this war? Plenty Horses had been taken from his people as a young man. He was sent east to be civilized in a boarding school. They cut his hair, erased his language, and tried to strip away his identity. He returned home just days after the Wounded Knee Massacre in late 1890, and what he found wasn't a nation. It was a graveyard. Hundreds of Lakota had been slaughtered. Women, children, left frozen where they fell in the snow. The same flag that taught him law and order had just buried his people in mass graves. So he found Lieutenant Edward Casey, a respected U.S. officer. He didn't shout. He didn't hesitate. He raised his gun and fired, point blank. The Army charged him with murder, and the court prepared to make an example of him. But his lawyer made one argument they couldn't ignore. If this is murder, he said, then what happened at Wounded Knee is 10 times worse. And they knew he was right. Because if they called Plenty Horses a murderer, then every soldier involved in the massacre would have to answer for what they did too. So the court ruled it wasn't murder. It was war. Plenty Horses walked free, because convicting him would mean convicting themselves. He killed one man. The Army killed 300. Only one ever stood trial. Plenty Horses was a Lakota man. One day, he walked